Debt can quickly become a trap if we're not careful. It's important to prioritize saving over spending to avoid falling into the debt cycle. Start by creating a budget that outlines your income, expenses, and savings goals. This will help you identify areas where you can cut back and save more. One of the key ways to avoid the debt trap is to establish an emergency fund. Aim to save at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This fund will provide a safety net in case of unexpected events like job loss or medical emergencies, helping you avoid going into debt to cover these expenses. When it comes to making purchases, avoid relying on credit cards or loans. Instead, save up and pay with cash or debit whenever possible. This way, you'll avoid accumulating interest charges and won't be burdened with debt that can grow out of control. Prioritize needs over wants. It's easy to get caught up in the desire for new gadgets, trendy clothes, or luxury items. However, focusing on what you truly need rather than what you want can help you save money and avoid unnecessary debt. Make a habit of comparing prices and seeking out discounts or sales before making a purchase. This simple step can save you a significant amount of money over time. Consider buying second-hand items or borrowing from friends or family whenever appropriate to reduce expenses. Track your spending diligently to identify any unnecessary or impulse purchases. By being aware of where your money goes, you can make conscious choices to cut back on non-essential items and allocate more towards savings. Finally, remember that small steps add up. Even if you can only save a little each month, it's still progress. Stay committed to your financial goals, avoid the debt trap, and focus on building a healthy savings cushion for a more secure future.